Hi guys, so I know I haven't made a video in almost like a month. I've just kind of been in, I don't know, like a little funk with like makeup and videos. I don't know like what type of makeup looks to do. I don't know what type of videos you guys want to see, so yeah, I just kind of was taking like a little break, I guess. And also, if I'm talking like a little quieter, it's because my mom's home and I still feel weird like filming when people are home, so I might be a little quieter in this video, so I'm sorry about that. But today I'm gonna be doing my May Boxycharm Unboxing and Try On. I already started kind of doing my makeup, so also my room is like a total mess and disaster in the background, so just ignore that. I need to do like a really deep clean and get rid of a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm sorry about the mess, but yeah. So this month's theme for the May Boxycharm is Make Waves. My card got a little bent, but that's just what the card looks like. I got variation number 1. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Glam Glow Gentle Daily Conditioning Bubble Cleanser type thing. And this retails for $28. I haven't used this yet. I was going to try it last night, but I have like a really bad breakout going on right now, and I didn't want to try something new and irritate it even more. So yeah, that's just what the tube looks like. It's got this cool like oil slick pattern. I think it's really cool. So the next thing that I got in my box is from Ciate London. It's the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. I got the shade Cupid, and I did put this on already, so it's just what the liquid eyeshadow looks like. It looks like purple in the tube, but when you put it on your eyes, it's more like goldish, but also when you like turn, it does have like a purplish duochrome. It's not like super noticeable, but it is super pretty, so I really like this so far. And the liquid eyeshadow retails for $22. So the next thing that I got in my box is from Bodyography, and it's a eyeliner pencil in the shade Emerald. I was really hoping to get this shade because it just looks like a really pretty like teal greenish color. And the eyeliner retails for $14. Now I really like Bodyography. I got a lip liner pencil from them like in one of my Boxycharms, just like a nude lip liner pencil, and it's like my perfect nude shade, so I really love that. It's super creamy, so I'm really excited to try this out. It's such a really pretty greenish color. So the next thing that I got in my box is from Dose of Colors. It's a liquid matte lipstick, and I got the shade Rosebud, and the lipstick retails for $18. But yeah, it's just this really pretty like rosy purpley mauve type color, so I'm really excited to try this. I've never tried Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks, and I don't have a lot of like purpley mauve colors like this, and they're some of my favorite colors, so I'm really excited to have this and try it. I think it's like a really pretty color for spring. Sorry if it was like noisy in the background. I had my window open, and I live on like a busy street, and I forgot to close it when I started filming, so if it was kind of noisy, I'm sorry, but I closed it now, so hopefully it's not noisy or anything. So, but the last thing that I got in my box is I was really hoping for, like this is all I wanted in my box, and it's from Alamar Cosmetics. It's the Colorette, I hope I'm saying that right, blush trio. I love this packaging, it's so pretty. I got mine in the Fair to Light shade, and this blush palette retails for $22. You get 3 blushes in it. This is what the palette looks like. It's super pretty. Like I said, when I saw that this was like a variation, I was really hoping I was going to get this, because honestly this is all I really wanted this month, so I'm really happy to have it. So yeah, it's just really pretty peachy, like everyday shades, so I'm really happy to have this. Okay, so like I said, I did already use that liquid eyeshadow on my eyes, and I will come back to the eyes because I want to try the eyeliner pencil, kind of like smudged on my lower lash line, but I want to try the blushes first. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not sure what shade I want to use. They're all like super pretty. I think I might kind of just maybe mix a couple or mix them all. I'm just gonna mix the first 2 shades, which are Castaway and Paraiso. I'm not sure how to say that middle shade, so I'm sorry if I said that wrong, but I'm just gonna mix those 2. Oh, and the blush palette does come with a nice mirror, so. I've been like super into like peachy blushes lately, so I'm super happy I got this in my box. These blushes are so pretty, and they're like super buttery and soft, and they kind of have a sheen to them, so as you can see, it's kind of like glowy. I like blushes like this just because it makes your skin look nice and healthy, and you have like a really nice healthy like flush color. I also like a lot of blush, so that's what the blush looks like. Like I said, I just mixed these first 2 shades. It's super pretty. I really love the tones and the colors in this little palette, so I will definitely be using this like a lot this summer. I have a feeling that this is going to be like my new favorite like blush or blush palette. It's just so pretty, and like I said, since the blushes have like a sheen to them, it looks really pretty and natural on the skin. I don't have any highlighter on, so the like sheen is just from the blush, so it's really pretty, and this is definitely a new favorite. So okay, so I just put on some highlighter. I use the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. It's super pretty. It's a really natural highlighter. So now, like I said, I want to go back into the I want to finish up the eyes and use the eye pencil. I'm just gonna warm it up a little bit on the back of my hand since it is a wooden pencil. That's what the color looks like. Like I said, it's in the shade Emerald. It's super pretty. It's like a really pretty green teal color. I'm just gonna start off by putting it in my waterline. Like I said earlier, I already used the Ciate London liquid eyeshadow. It's so pretty. I really love this liquid eyeshadow. I think it's just really pretty and sparkly. So yeah. That's really pretty. It is kind of like light, but I feel like you would be able to build this up pretty like nice. It's super creamy. It's not scratching my eye or anything. It's not dragging. I am gonna like bring this on to my lower lash line and kind of maybe smudge it out a little bit. Okay, so I just put that eyeliner in my waterline and I put it on my actual like lower lash line, and then I just took a like small little smudger brush and just smudged it out. and it looks really pretty. It does look more blue like on my skin than like emerald, but it's still really pretty. I think this look is like perfect for spring and summertime. So it's really pretty. I really like it, and like I said, it's not scratchy or pokey. It doesn't like drag. It's like super creamy. So yeah, I really like it. I really like this look. It's super pretty, and I really love the liquid eyeshadow. Like I said, in the tube it looks more like purple, but on the eyes it's kind of just more like gold, but it's still really pretty. Okay, so now for the last thing that came in my box, the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Like I said, this is in the shade Rosebud. It's like a purpley mauve. I'm not sure how well this will look with the eyes, but I'm still gonna try it on. Like I said, I've never tried Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks before, so it doesn't have a scent, so that's nice. Yeah, it's definitely like a mauvey purple color, like mauvey lilac type color. It's probably not gonna go with this look very well, but whatever. Okay, so this is the lipstick on. Like I said, it definitely does not go with this look, but it is like a really pretty dusty mauve purple like lilac color. I love these colors for the springtime, so I think with a more like neutral or even like a purpley eye look, or even just like winged liner lashes in this would be really pretty, because it definitely does not go with this look, but I still really like the color. The formula is like really thin, and it's really comfortable. It's not sticky. So yeah, I really like this so far. I'm definitely gonna be using this more, and definitely with a different eye look, because it does not match, but it is still really pretty. Okay, so that was everything in my May 2019 Boxycharm. I think the box was pretty good this month. I'm not really too sure about the cleanser. I've also heard that Glam Glow is not cruelty free or whatever, so I'm not really sure about this. I might try it, but I don't know, I'll probably just give it to my mom or something. Like I said, I was just mainly excited for this. I just really wanted this, and I'm super happy that I got it. It's just really pretty, and I just feel like it's perfect for summer or just year-round, because the colors are really pretty, like natural peachy colors. I do love the eyeliner pencil. I think it's really pretty, and I think it's a fun way to do a pop of color on the lower lash line like this. Like I said, I also love the liquid eyeshadow. It's just super sparkly and really pretty. I do wish the purple like kind of showed up a little bit more, but it's still pretty. So like I said, obviously this lip color does not go with the look, but I do like, minus the eye look, I do really like the color. I also really like the formula. It's just really comfortable. So yeah, that was everything in my May Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed the try on. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.